Pepper soup mix, fried rice mix with a vibrant tone. Sweet spice and onion powder for cooking made easy every time. Natural seasoning mix replaces your Maggi cubes. White spice hub from farm to pot, 100% natural. White spice hub, no chemicals, no preservatives, just natural cooking spices that make your meals taste great. White spice hub, a healthier alternative to chemical cooking spices. White spice hub, for healthy meals that taste just right.